want this.
How much?
Excuse me?
How much for the car?
She's not for sale.
Oh, I love dogs. What the?
Preset include clips, glitch, text animation, hit 50 likes whole edit preset, hit 30 likes only, glitch text effect. You can check out the full preview in my short section. Hey guys, I recreated this After Effect like Tazen Edit or Matt Editz glitch text in Alightmotion. It's took me quite a while and it's pretty simple, but time consuming, so I keep the like target as much simple as possible. You can also watch it out in my other videos. Signing of Parker, edit your buddy.